Hello there, today I'm going to talk to you about mini turbo tools. So if you're looking at this on our website, you'll know that we've got a choice of two of these if you've got a Sebo. You've got the original Sebo one here, which is 50 odd quid, and you've got our one, which is less than half that. So which one do you choose? So we'll just have a slightly closer look at both, because they're actually both pretty similar to look at. They're both pretty similar in performance. Some people like a genuine item come what may. If you do, that's perfectly fine. Other people like to save a few bob where they can. So if you just look at them side by side for a moment, you'll see that they're ostensibly quite similar. If you look at the underside, you'll see again that they are ostensibly quite similar with a tilting sole plate. So does one work better than the other? We're going to have a quick look at that in a moment. These will, by the way, fit any Sebo at all, any cylinder, any upright, any commercial, any Sebo that's got a hose. I'm not talking about the cordless balance thing, ignore that. But we're talking about proper Sebos that you plug in, mains powered Sebos. Either of these will fit all of them. So it's a question of manufacturer and price. Now, these things originally, this Sebo one, I mean, well, they're both a little bit. They're a big chunky thing, but they're very, very effective. They're a very well regarded tool, and you can open them up a little bit to clean them out inside. You can with both of them. These tools originally came from an old German Vorwerk design, and it's obvious that these ones have been, shall we say, loosely based on that. So let's just have a look how they perform on the floor. I'm going to stick a bit of powder down, plug a Sebo in, and we'll just see if there's anything between them to help you make your mind up. Right, so I've put some Duo carpet powder down here. If you've not used that before, it's like a cleanie. You just work it into the carpet. It has a nice zesty smell, and then you vacuum it up. So this is ideal for this test. So first we're going to try the genuine one. So that's how that one works, that's not too bad. Now we're going to try our one. So you've seen them both in action now, you've seen that they both work. This one is made in Germany and this one is made somewhere else, probably China, which is why it's half the price. So only you can decide which one you prefer. If you're watching this on YouTube, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're watching this on our website, have a good look around and make sure you get any bags and tools and any other bits and bobs you might need while you're here, because it's all one flat delivery charge, which is free over a certain amount anyway. Thanks for watching, see you next time.